I want to tell them to come to China.
You look like a big hand.
My neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck.
I'm journalist.
Oh, nice to meet you. Try on a different culture other than my own. I love it.
It's your first time to try this?
Yes, it's my first time here in China. 我感觉到跟公主一样。
You can in English. You can in English.
Okay.
Chinese.
Yeah. It's my first time trying on like this type of clothing, like the Han Dynasty or Tang Dynasty.
This clothing has a long history.
Because we look so beautiful together.
And we got some good photos together.
I think dressing up in these fancy costumes is one romantic moment.
You can smell it.
It smells very fresh.
What's the difference of tea in your country between China?
In the United States, most people just drink iced tea. But in China, we came to learn the nuance and the intricacies of the different types of tea.
And it brings people together. We really love that.
I think you look like a big hand. I have said that past.
I'm not as handsome as David Beckham. He's a...
Do you have the habit of drinking tea in your country?
No, never.
Where are you from?
Mexico.
Do you want to bring some to your country for your family?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think the difference is how fresh it is. I think in my country it's old.
It's about friendship between people.
Could you show me a photo of beautiful place of your country?
Sure, so this is San Francisco. This is the Golden Gate Bridge. So it has several beams on it. They're actually all orange color. They're not golden.
You are a student or teacher?
And I'm also an author of Lien romance. I love these clothes, they're beautiful, and just getting to wear them is such an adventure.
What could you like to tell your family when you get back?
So many things.
I want to tell them to come to China because it is so beautiful here and they would love all this food here. And that's the first thing I want to tell them.